We are pleased to show you the 2023 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display. Come take a test drive today.